Alright, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to show this video and show that sometimes not everything goes smooth. So I was doing this replacement, jumped in, and I knew that the one pipe was actually a little off center, which wasn't a lot, but it was the 2-inch, so there's not a lot of flex, and 2, it was deep, so you'll see I dug it up to try to give me some flex. And ultimately what I ended up doing is putting on, or going back and using a bottle jack to get the last 1/8 of an inch, half inch, not even, a little bit, just would not get enough for me to get the bolts in. So we ended up doing that, and I got it together, it worked, but it doesn't always go smooth. I got the water on now, checking this to make sure nothing's leaking there, because it's easy obviously without that end on. If we need to tighten something, we can go ahead and do that, but for now we're short here. I'm going to unsweat this, put a new male adapter here, piece of pipe there, nice and easy. Unsweat that, didn't film it, but got that unsweat cleaned up. So I'm going to use a coupling, because I don't want to try to take that off, because then you could end up getting leaks on those. So sometimes it's easier just to go ahead and remove that part. So I'll cut a piece of pipe here, get that in, get it prepped, and then before I sweat, I'm going to pull the insert out, because it's plastic, I don't want to melt it. And I've had no issue with keeping this quarter turn sweating next to it and ruining the valve. I never had a problem. if you look right there, you'll see that bottle jack sitting there. That's what I used to end up jacking up underneath it to get it to where I needed to be to get the screws in so I could get it all back together. Thanks for watching.